What's up, guys? It's your boy EJ. Today I don't know where they went. Anyways, today, like a couple weeks ago, my granddad got me this, and it's pretty cool. It got plenty of tools on it. The 16-in-1 even got wrenches and stuff. It got an Allen wrench over here, up here, where my thumb is. Got an Allen wrench. And the best part is it has a seed laser. Look. Now a flashlight. It's kind of blinding. Like look, if I take it off and put it back on, and it does that. Then laser. Sorry for some people. Anyways, that's cool. Now PLV Squid Game cameras be like. Time for you guys. How's it on my eye, but I'm pointing it to you guys? Look, I'm pointing it to you guys. How is it on my face? Guys, let's try something real quick. Guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's see. Hold up, bro. This is kind of creepy real quick. Let me turn the flashlight on. Alright, so this is what the flashlight can do. Pretty cool, but it's creepy. Now let's see what the laser can do. I'm good, bro. That's just straight up creepy. Alright, peace out, guys. Like and subscribe. Peace out. Bye.